Crazy history facts. The Manhattan Project was a top-secret research and development initiative during World War II that produced the first nuclear weapons. One of the more peculiar aspects was the creation of Oak Ridge, a city that didn't officially exist. Established in Tennessee to support the development of the atomic bomb, Oak Ridge was a massive, secret facility dedicated to uranium enrichment. What makes this fact particularly crazy is that the residents of Oak Ridge were unaware of the true nature of their work. Each person was assigned specific tasks without knowing the full scope of the project, contributing to the veil of secrecy. The residents only learned about the true nature of their work after the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. Crazy history facts. In the mid-20th century, Dr. Vladimir Demikhov, a Soviet scientist, embarked on a bizarre and macabre experiment, attempting to perform a head transplant on dogs. Demikhov's experiments involved grafting the heads and upper bodies of smaller dogs onto the necks of larger ones, creating two-headed canine creatures. The crazy twist lies in the fact that some of these chimera-like creatures survived for a short period, demonstrating basic motor functions. Crazy history facts. Joan of Arc is celebrated for her courageous role in the 100 Years' War. After she was burned at the stake in 1431, her heart reportedly resisted the fire. According to the accounts, her heart remained intact amidst the flames, leading some witnesses to believe that it held a miraculous quality. In an attempt to erase all traces of her existence, the English ordered that Joan of Arc's ashes be scattered in the Seine River. However, the exact location of Joan of Arc's heart, if it was indeed preserved, remains a historical enigma. Crazy history facts. In the 13th century, Pope Gregory found himself at odds with an unexpected adversary, cats. Believing that felines were associated with devil worship and witchcraft, the Pope declared a mass extermination of cats across Europe. The ensuing cat massacre had unintended consequences. With the feline population dramatically reduced, the rat population surged. This spike in the rat population contributed to the spread of fleas, which played a role in the outbreak of the Black Death, one of the deadliest pandemics in human history. Crazy history facts. In 1325, the city of Thessaloniki in Greece experienced a bizarre and unexpected event. A swarm of dancing mania struck the city, causing hundreds of people to uncontrollably dance in the streets for days, leading to exhaustion and even death. This phenomenon, known as the dance of St. Vitus or St. John's dance, was a form of mass hysteria characterized by frenzied and unexplained dancing. Authorities hired musicians to dance away the perceived divine curse, but the cause of the phenomenon remains a historical mystery. Crazy history facts. In 1951, the residents of Pont Saint-Esprit experienced mass hysteria and hallucinations after consuming bread unknowingly contaminated with LSD. Investigations later revealed a connection to Project MKUltra, where the CIA had been conducting LSD experiments. The unintended consequences of these experiments reached beyond individual subjects, leaving an entire village caught in the surreal and unpredictable effects of mind-altering substances. Crazy history facts. Nestled at the northwest base of Mount Fuji in Japan, the Aokigahara forest has earned a chilling reputation as the suicide forest. Besides its grim history of suicides, the woods are steeped in ghostly lore. Legend tells of tormented spirits haunting the dense foliage, with unsettling whispers and ghostly apparitions reported by those who venture into its shadows. The eerie atmosphere, coupled with the tragic history, makes Aokigahara a haunting convergence of human despair and supernatural mystery. Crazy history facts. Charles V, the Holy Roman Emperor, known for his thick, unruly beard, faced a peculiar challenge during his reign. The Holy Roman Empire, under Charles, witnessed the spread of a bizarre trend known as the beard tax. In an attempt to regulate and discourage the growing popularity of beards, Charles V imposed a tax on facial hair. The tax was not only an effort to generate revenue, but also a symbol of Charles's desire to maintain a sense of decorum and formality at his court. The longer and more extravagant the beard, the higher the tax. Crazy history facts. During Mao Zedong's leadership in China, the Great Sparrow Campaign unfolded as a bizarre and disastrous attempt to eliminate sparrows. Mao believed that sparrows were pests, consuming grain seeds and posing a threat to agriculture. The population responded with a fervor, employing various methods such as banging pots and pans to prevent sparrows from resting and ultimately causing them to die from exhaustion. The unintended consequence of this campaign was ecological imbalance. Without sparrows to control insect populations, pests proliferated, leading to widespread crop damage. Crazy history facts. Elizabeth Báthory, a Hungarian noblewoman born in 1560, is infamous for her gruesome and horrifying acts. Known as the Blood Countess, Báthory has gone down in history as one of the most prolific female serial killers. Legend has it that Báthory tortured and murdered hundreds of young servant girls. She bathed in their blood, believing it would preserve her youth and beauty. The Blood Countess remains a symbol of historical horror, representing the darkest and most macabre aspects of human nature.